Nowadays, if we see that there is the increasing issue and the problem of stress, this stress should be managed anyhow. As the time is being passes, the competition is increasing, and also as the outcome of the many other aspects, the issue of the stress is being faced by the many people, and this number is increasing these days. Now, by this talk, I want to explain about the many aspects about this, that how the stress can be managed well, and the relating issues with this I want to discuss. Now, if we talk about the stress, if we say scientifically also, the stress is the pressure upon area, and this can be area that can be said as the internal strength, and so in this way the magnitude of stress that will depend upon the internal strength. Higher the internal strength we have, the less will be stress or there will be no stress. Now the pressure, this can be said as the related with the time. It may come and go. Tension associated with high fluctuations of energy level. These energy level fluctuations inside the mind, that can be termed as the tension. Stress. When we experience these fluctuation at every moment, because at the every moment with the time when we see these fluctuations, this can be called as the stress. Now, if we see that in the general, what the input in our mind is, that are our thoughts, what our thinking is, and based upon that, the feelings are developed, and whatever feeling we have, based upon that, our behavior becomes, and based upon that, the outcome, output in the form of the performance will come. Now, about the negative effects of stress. If we see about our physical health, one may face weight gain or weight loss. This may be irrational, unexpected hair loss, high blood pressure. These are the some signs on the physical health, and about the emotional. In this case, the mood swings of individual, anxiety can lead to depression, can also lead to unhealthy coping strategies as many people adopt to the alcohol, drugs, etc. So these can be said as the negative effects of stress. This also indicates that how important the stress management is. Now, effective stress management. If we talk in general, the general work also, we have always two options, whether smile or not. We can understand that by which we can manage our stress. So why not to smile in problems? At the time of problems, we have at the time of challenges, we have two options, learning or depression. We may learn out of the problem, or as the effect of problem, we may go down. So we have the option that out of which we want to opt. And the problems at that time itself, we have two options. We want to lead the tensed life or the tension free life. Obviously, one should learn out of the problem, one should lead the tension free life. Now, self empowerment for stress management. The first is I am a soul, मैं एक आत्मा हूँ. This feeling, now Scientifically also, this has been proved long ago. Earlier, people were not believing this. But now, this has also been proved that every individual is a soul. And when we have the feeling of the soul, in that case, of course, we can be the tension free. We can lead a tension free life. The greatest fear is the fear of death. And when one considers himself or self as a soul, then this fear will also go or this fear will be reduced. The philosophy of Rama. Let us believe in God and do our karmas, our action, as has been advised by Lord Krishna in Gita to Arjuna. And that advice is also to every individual being that let us believe that whatever is going on, that is with the consent of God, and with that sort of spiritual feeling, we can also empower ourselves and the stress can be managed. Accept the situation. Many times, anything may not be in our hand. Let us accept situation and work accordingly. And based upon our internal strength, we can manage the stress, we can manage the system, and as has been said that out of the every situation, we can learn and we can be better. Manage your anger. Let us also manage our anger. Let us be cool and calm. Let us be in peace. Connect yourself to God. Let us believe in God and let us connect ourselves to God and do our karmas. And we should have the firm belief that in the justified way we will have the best one. And let us do our work with the feelings of Almighty God. And about the managing stress, what are some other methods which we adopt? We will be able to effectively manage our stress. Body relaxation exercises that we can do for our physical health and also the mental health that will be improved, the internal strength will be improved. Breathing techniques, these are the many techniques of breathing which had been developed by the experts and scientists and doctors. They have also played the key role in this, and we can adopt this guided imagery, the guided meditation that can be carried out, and with that, as per the advice of the expert, we can manage our stress. Physical exercise that should be included in our routine, yoga and other sort of exercise that should be in our daily life. By this also, we will be able to manage our stress. Meditation, this has been also the proven method, and many experts, many organizations, spiritual and the others, they have given the effective techniques of the meditation, and by that also we can manage our stress. Counseling, talk therapy, life coaching by the counselors, by the experts, with their needs, with their advice that we can do. Happiness, let us be happy in that situation. With that also our energy level will be increased, and when the energy level will be increased, we will be able to manage the stress effectively. Time management, to do our work in the every sort, let us have the time management, and we should be able to manage the time, and within that available time we will be able to finish our maximum work. Now, the meditation, its some basic principles are stated here. As has been said that the meditation is a powerful tool to have the management of the stress. The moment you are in tension, you will lose your attention. Then you are in total confusion and you will feel irritation. Then you will spoil your personal relations. Ultimately, you won't get cooperation. Then there will be much complications. Then your BP may rise caution and you may have to take medication. Instead of understanding the situation and try to think of a solution, many problems are solved by meditation. This work out better in your profession. Don't think it is my free suggestion. It's better for your prevention. If you understand my intention, you will never come again into tension. So practice meditation. So logically, this has been explained that advantage of the meditation and how we will be able to manage the stress and we will be able to have the better outcome. Then let us also have the for some moment silence periodically. This will also increase our energy level and manage stress. About the many aspects of silence that has been described by the expert. Let us say that silence is spirituality, silence is simplicity, silence brings satisfaction, silence makes you smile, silence is sweetness, silence makes you sensible, silence is sincerity, silence is stability, silence creates solutions, silence makes you strong, silence removes all selfishness. Silence makes you a self-sworn. Silence makes you stress-free. Silence puts a full stop to worries. Silence makes you sing in happiness. Silence creates your inner strength. Silence makes you serviceable. Silence makes you sacred. Silence having sympathy. Silence brings safety. Silence is serenity. Silence is stillness of mind. Silence is having self respect. Silence makes you spontaneous. Silence enables you to know all secrets of life. So, in this way, we can understand that by the silence, how the various outcomes can be increased, how we will be able to obtain up to large extent everything in the every areas and let us consider and silence means not only the silence of the not only the silence by talk but the stillness of mind, silence of mind. If we are able to achieve it for some moments in a day, we can understand, we can experiment and we can understand how our energy level is improved up to the large extent. One can just have the experiment of this for some time, let us say within 1 hour, 2 hour, and one can obviously see the result and have the own opinion and about this. Now, it was also talked about time management. What are the various parameters that we should take in the time management? Let us be organized. Let us be structured. Our short-term goals and long-term goals, they must be set. And use a planner, daily schedule and daily do list. And work should be carried out accordingly. And in this way, we will be effectively manage our time and we will be effectively able to obtain the outcome. Apart from this, other helpful tips, changing perceptions and expectations as per the need and situations. Break jobs tasks into manageable parts. Large jobs, large projects that can be broken into the small parts. Our goals, which have been set up, they should be the reasonable and the realistic. We must set boundaries for us, our work, and the basic values and the beliefs, they should not be compromised. Devote some time to yourself. Let us have the feeling of forgiveness, because the forgiveness, by this feeling, we are also able to increase our outcome like anything. Our the, the stress management, that will become easy. Healthy thoughts, the spiritual thoughts, they should be in our mind. Healthy mind, healthy body. Healthy body, healthy mind. Relaxation. We must have the relaxation, and we should do everything in the happy and relaxed way. We will be able to obtain the better outcome. Our stress will be managed in the better way. Don't try to change other minds, etc. In order to avoid any sort of frustration as per situation, change yourself. As per the conditions, change yourself. Change yourself as per need or situation. Your remote control should be with you, not with anybody else. Let us not get affected by happiness or sadness of others. Our mind is easy to control rather than other mind. Let us try to control ourselves, our mind, rather than to control others' mind or others. Periodic cleaning of mind is important, like body of silence, as has been said by meditation and silence, or by such techniques. Our mind, it should be cleaned periodically, let us say once an hour or once in 2 hours as per the need. And in this way also, we will be able to manage our stress very well. Balance sheet of life. Let us have the balance sheet of life. Our life should be balanced one. Our belief system, they should be good. Our sanskars, they must be good. Our inner thoughts, they should be best. They should be better. They should be the spiritually based. जैसे बात कही जाती है, जैसा मन वैसा तन, जैसा अन्न वैसा मन. So our diets, that should be also sattvic one, healthy one, sattvic bhojan. Balance sheets of thoughts, positive and negative. Our thoughts, we should see that they are more positive or more negative. Let us say that the feeling of joy, happiness, peace, they are the positive thoughts, and the feelings of tension, feeling of anger, feeling of sadness, such are the negative thoughts. And the balance in life, that is important. About this, let us say that let us recognize each aspect of life, not let us concentrate on the one or two aspects. 80% of the days is spent in work, school, or college, or in our profession. I am not getting enough time for family, personal life because of work. So the time management, it should be such that for the every important aspect, we should be able to give this. And in the balance, what is this balance of life? Doing the things right and not setting things right. In control life, not driven in circumstances, having right balance in wheel of life, enjoy journey of life, every day of it, not waiting for a perfect day in future. So, as per those feelings, let us make the balance of our life. Don't compare yourself or ourselves with any on this earth. If you compare, you are insulting yourself. This philosophy that should be kept in the mind. And about the positive attitude, we can say that let us think advantage of every situation, learn something of every situation. Let us live in the present, no loss or in future or in past. Focus on the challenges. Challenges always come in the life. Let us focus, let us solve those, let us meet those. To be hopeful and proactive. Let us be hopeful and proactive. Look on the brightest side. Let us look on the brightest side of each and every situation. Now, in order to implement the positive thinking, these aspects can be also kept in the mind. Our thoughts, feelings, attitudes, actions, whatever we thought, whatever we think, based upon that, our feelings will be developed, and based upon that, we have the attitude, and as per our attitude, we should have the actions. And based upon the actions, we will be able to attain our outcomes. And let us have the positive attitude. And earlier, it was we said that knowledge, skill, and attitude, these are the requisites in order to get the best of best outcome. And out of these also, attitude is the most important. This has been also accepted by the experts. Benefits of stress management by these means or by any other means. If we are able to manage our stress, our physical health gets better, more energy and stamina we will have. Our emotions are stabilized, positive attitude we will have. We will be hopeful and happier, ability to focus improved, ability to learn and achieve that will be also improved, and our outcome that will be also improved. Our personal and family life that will become good, and our professional lives that will become more productive, and we can understand that based upon this, all this, based upon this, if we make our system well, we will be easily able to manage our stress. Nowadays, the counselors, psychiatrists, they also work on these guidelines, and our spiritual system that has also described all these in the nice way, and the physical and the mental health of individuals that should become better. That is in the interest of our nation, in the interest of ourselves, in the interest of our system, and by our competitiveness that will also grow, and we will have the best of the outcomes. And many experts, they have also given their views and the expert talks in the forms of the books and the other contents. And many lectures are also available by the counselors, motivators, and the experts. And if we talk in the TV channel, Peace of Mind, Awakening with Brahma Kumaris, and other spiritual channels, they have also given the large inputs, and many pioneers, they have also given the best and best of the ideas, and the society must be benefited out of this, and such ideas, they can also incorporated in the organizations, in the system, in order to improve its health and to obtain the best of the outcome in the many areas and in the various fields. Thanks.